Hello, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're playing Classic Airplane Wars Quadruple, which is pretty cool. Alright, we're joining now. And our only goal is to destroy every other plane. That's our goal. And it's frozen. Oh, okay, we're here. Oh, God, no, I don't. I'm actually blue. So this is a good opportunity to just break the hole open. Or just, okay, I'm apparently at the top. Alright, most of those deaths are from me. But I've apparently got a lot. Let's go. Oh. Let's go. Open it up. This is what I usually do. Alright, let's go. Oh. Alright, let's go. Oh, bro. Get that out. Let's go. Oh, lol. Oh, this is the final straw. Oh, yep. There she goes. Hose. Alright, let's go. Oh. Wait, who planted that? No, I got flamed. What? Alright. Yeah, I keep dying a lot, but it's okay because I've gotten significantly better at the game. Okay, let's go. Oh. Alright. Is yellow here? Yes, there is a yellow team. Let's do some trolling. Okay. Hey. Here goes yellow. Oh, it's starting to shake. Let's go. Oh, yellow is completely wrong. No! Hey! Alright. I'm gonna do red now. No. Yeah, it's about time. I'm gonna open up Red's fuselage right now. Oh. Alright, let's go. Oh, Red is getting wrecked. It's right now. Is green online? No. Alright, let's keep destroying Red. Head. Alright, let's go destroy the ladder. There. Now they don't have good access to their lower deck. Now, what the heck? Oh, there's nobody else here. Let's go to a different server. Oh, God. Yeah, it always freezes for some reason. I don't know how long this is going to take. Okay. Not long, actually. Let's just rejoin. There's going to be more people in the server. Right? Whoa, we're actually in a good server, but... Okay, let me just change to blue. Who go ahead and jump off. I'm once again at the top of the leaderboard, I guess. Okay. Bro, how am I supposed to get around this? Alright, now that we're partially destroyed, I guess let's go destroy this team. I've never been on top of the airplanes before. Blizzard the Lizard. A lot of diversity. Did you plant those? Bro, no. Bro, you are destroying it. Hey, you know what? Oh, God. Let's go with red. Why not? Good, let's go. Oh, God. Oh, yeah. Okay, everything's all well and done. And let's go. Oh. Oh, don't go so dead. Yeah, that was pretty easy. Oh, God. Give me back. I got a sword. Go lizard to lizard. Alright. Oh, God. Oh, my gosh. Alright, this is crazy. See, we gotta... God. Oh, no. No. Alright, it's pretty clear you're done for. But that's actually kind of a bad thing for them. So we're just gonna latch onto the platform, hopefully. No? Alright. Come on. We latched on. Quick. Alright, let's go. Oh. Alright. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Send it. Alright. Alright. And because you went there. Alright. Alright, let's go. Open up the front. And let's go. Oh. Also, I'm not gonna focus on red. Ed. Oh, you. Oh, yo. Oh. Alright. Let's go. Oh, let's just keep on trying. In fact, let's go. No. Yes. No. There's a bomb right here. Alright, let's go. Oh. Right, embarrassing. But I'll take it. It blew up. Oh God. Shoot. Go. Oh. Wait, hold on. Done. Oh, yeah, you died. Anyways. Oh God. Bro, did you plant that? Are you serious? Why do the people on my team keep planting bombs? I already opened the front, guys. You're not this dumb. Alright, let's go. Oh. Alright, that's good. And let's sit down. Yo. Oh. Yo. Yeah, there's nothing you can do. Dude, I'm just gonna keep wrecking this. Oh no! Why is there a hole there? I'm confused. Wait, hold on. Uh-oh. We only have 3 people, which means I need to make the most. Open it up. Let's take a green. Oh my gosh, dude, stop. Alright, come back. Also, I'm opening the red team up. Let's go. Oh, alright. This is... Whoa. Good. What? Bro, I didn't even know there was a bomb there. Alright, let's go. Oh God, is there a red team person here? Oh god, no, 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 I don't know. I can't kill him right now. I got this. I got this. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Right, that was close. Oh no, you're not making it. You're not making it. You're not making it. God, no. No. Oh, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. Alright, let's go. Oh, I'm gonna try and get this part off. Oh god. Let's try that again. Don't go off this. Yes! Yes, that was a massive victory. What the heck just happened? Did I miss out on a fight? What? Oh my gosh. Why did this keep happening? Yeah, we actually like that open. Thanks. Oh yes. Oh yeah. It already regened. And which means, oh my god. Oh my god. Go! Oh. Alright, let's go. Oh, okay. Yo, oh, bro. Why did I just get yeeted? Yeah, okay, bye. Alright, sorry. Hurry. Okay. Oh, God. Oh, God. No. I can't get killed right now. Okay. Hey, I'm just gonna screen right now. Actually, red would be a better option. Hey, who's detonating these bombs? Oh god. No, that is not good. No, that is not good. Okay. They're fighting. Ding. Oh god. No! Alright. Let's go. Who is this? Oh god. Run. Go. Yo! He died. Oh no! No! Alright. Bro. Wait a minute. No. Oh, come on right now. Are you serious right now? Oh my gosh, I'm stuck in the checkpoint. Help me right now. I need help. Okay. Yay. Hey. Alright. Oh yes, we regened. Perfect timing. Alright. Let's go. Oh, bust the whole through. Hey. No, I got my sword. Yep, there we go. Oh god, no. Oh. Okay. Hey, let's go. Hey, let's go. Okay, yeah. Oh my god. Oh, bro. Get that out. Wait, you're on our team. Why are you killing us? Oh, I found the culprit. But no. Alright, I'm gonna end the video.